nature and the field of pure potentiality. For this meditation, we can also take a walk in nature or in your surroundings, where you can perceive elements of nature like trees, birds, sunshine, air, clouds. Or you can also do this meditation sitting at home. So, no matter where you are, take some deep breaths. Maybe close your eyes. Feel into your breath, constant inflow and outflow. Let go of all thoughts. And with each inhalation and exhalation, allow yourself to become more relaxed, more comfortable, more at peace. Now, wherever you are, you can feel the ground beneath you, the earth, the connection there. And you can experience the nature, elements of nature. Maybe you are in a forest, or you can see trees, hear birds, feel the air. So now you can try to feel into this nature, this quality that is there, this harmony or interconnectedness. And you can feel into that these ancient ways, that this interconnectedness is there for such a long time, ages and ages, where this natural connection took place. And maybe you can also feel that you yourself are a part of nature. Your body is created from elements that come from plants, animals, the air, water, earth. Everything that is in you was once part of nature. And one day, your body will also dissolve into elements that then will be spread out to form different parts of nature. Trees, animals, air, earth. So you are inherently connected into this constant field of potentiality, of creativity. At every moment there is so much creation, transformation, so much potential that is realized. And this happens on the material level, but also on the non-material level. All of these ideas, information, connection, love is also in a constant flow of being created, coming from this field of potentiality. And you as well are a part of this field of potentiality. So maybe when you listen, when you feel into nature, maybe you can feel this field, this space. When you lose yourself in thoughts, just simply come back to experiencing nature and silence. So, knowing that you can always come back to this meditation, we are slowly starting to come back. We take some deep breaths to feel our body Feel our connection to the ground. And if you're closing your eyes, then slowly move parts of our body, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Maybe we can take one more deep breath in order to take this experience that we just made, to take it with us as we continue with our day. And the thought that is accompanying us for today could be: today I am aware of nature that surrounds me and its connection to the field of pure potentiality. Have a great day.